Hi guys, what's going on? Night Breeze here. So today in this video I will share you how to hiking to Big Wave Beach, which is the most beautiful beach in Hong Kong. And let's go together with me. Today in this video I will share with you how to hiking there and also enjoy swimming in Big Wave Beach. And let's together go with me to explore everything here. So let's go guys! There is many ways to get to Big Wave Beach, but today I would like to share with you how to hiking there from Chai Wan MTR. So very easy to get to there. You just take to MTR and get the exit A, and after that you can see the Google map and how to hiking to there. The Google map show that I need to hike about 1 hour, 1.5 hours, something like that. So let's go guys, today is the real challenge. Let's hiking, go there, enjoy swimming in Big Wave Beach. And this is the thing that I'm going to share you now. Can see that the weather today is super hot. This is my favorite in the hot weather, is to hiking and also enjoy the swimming. The temperature is around 29 to 30 degrees. It's a hot weather and we go there, can enjoy everything here. There is many transport stations to get to the beach, but today I'm choosing hiking because in this hiking you can enjoy the fresh atmosphere and also you can enjoy the building view, the mountain view, and also everything you can enjoy in hiking. So that's why I like hiking the most, and together let's go to there. Enjoy the mountain water here. It's very fresh, but do not drink because it still have some bacteria. But you can washing your face by this hiking water. You need to bring at least 2 liters of water, so make sure you have bring enough water. Temperature now is super hot. Continue walking, hiking, and finally we'll get to our destination. So again, let's go guys. Resting point, so you can enjoy everything here. See the building view, the sea view, and also the mountain view. So in your holiday, don't just at home and take rest, guys. Just wake up and going to see all the Hong Kong wonderful view here. This is really amazing. It's really amazing. To get to the Big Wave Bay, you need to change to the right side, and then this is really the challenge, guys. There's no more same like easy, same before. Now we need to uphill. Now we need to change to the difficult way to get to our destination. So there is still a lot of challenging in the front. So let's go guys, keep going, and then we can get to our destination. Let's go. Almost we have reached to our destination. You can see from behind me there is a beach, Big Wave Beach. There are many people doing boating, swimming, or anything. It's almost getting to our destination now. Only few steps to going down. So let's go again guys, cannot wait to going there. Hi guys, we have spent almost 1.5 hours to hiking here. take a lot of energy, very tired, and the weather is so hot. So now let's enjoy the water. Let's swimming here. Hi guys, after a lot of enjoying swimming here, I have eat a little bit snack. There are a mini restaurant behind the beach and you should enjoy here. Also they have changing room for you to change after your swimming. And also this is the last of my video. If you like Big Wave Beach, help me to click like and subscribe my channel to generate more video in the future. Thank you so much and bye bye.